Here's how to cook a great salmon fillet in a stainless steel pan. The first step of cooking the salmon fillet is getting them up to room temperature. So we're going to remove them from the fridge around 15 to 30 minutes before cooking. It's really important to pat your salmon fillets dry. Number one, this will stop them sticking to the pan. And number two, it'll let you get that beautiful crispy skin. First, preheat your pan to the correct temperature using the water drop test. Once hot, you add in your oil, spread it around, make sure it's shimmering, and then add your salmon fillet skin side down to sear. For the first few seconds of cooking, you can press down with a spatula to ensure complete contact between the skin and the pan. Now the key here is patience. Leave the salmon fillet in the pan, and when it's ready to flip, the skin will naturally release. Now flip the salmon fillet over and cook on the other side until cooked through.